Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. So in this video, I'm very excited because I'm going to cover two exciting stocks. One is AMC, the other one is BlackBerry, and I believe both of them are ready to explode this coming week because there is a nice chart setup. So many things are happening in the background, and I think they are ready to bounce. And also there are so many videos on AMC how the stock has been manipulated, the shorts later, Blackpool, so many things. So if you want, you can just hear those videos, but here I just want to talk about the technicals because this is looking really nice. And if you don't remember what is short squeeze and what is gamma squeeze, definitely I will talk a little bit. I will just give you a sense. So first of all, I just want to show you AMC chart because this thing is looking really nice to me. So I have two things here. So first of all, you see that this triangle here, that happened when it was moving between 22 and 35. Look at the pattern. So from 22, 35 came down, went up. So within the triangle, whenever this part is broken, this thing exploded. Now look what is happening here. Same thing. It went from 36 to 72, again came down, moving around. Now what I'm waiting here, that's the important thing. Let me open the extended hours as well so you will get a better sense. So you see the lines here, it has been making lower highs. At the same time, you see it has been making some higher lows. So same thing, similar chart setup here. But the good thing is, you see the support here around 42 area. That support has been held very strong. Whenever it went, you see, went to 72, came back, but 42 was held. Again went back to 60, came back, 42 was held. Same thing, went to 60, came back. So this 42 is very important. And yesterday on my live stream pre-market, I talked about holding this 42 support and buy on 42. And because I was predicting if 42 is broken, maybe it can come down, but 42 was held very strong and I bought more and more shares around 42 because I have the conviction that 42 will be a very strong support and this thing is ready to bounce. And see what happened. From 42 it went to 49, but the nice thing is, unless it comes down again, and if it can break, that will be the nice thing. If it can break this area, 49.50 area, and it goes outside the triangle, this thing can really go hard. So I'm very excited. To see Monday, and normally Monday and Tuesday, beginning of the week, AMC does really well. So I'm really excited for AMC. So what are the next support and resistance if it explodes? So there is no limit on the sky, but if you are thinking how high it can go, so let me draw some lines here. I think these will be some important lines here. We can talk about 52, 53. Let's talk 52.75 or make it simple, 53. And there will be some kind of resistance again around 59, or let's make it easy, let's make it 60. 160 is broken. Let's look around 68, 69 area, and then the next one would be the high of 73. So these are the lines. So if we come down, maybe we can retest 42, but otherwise if we go up, 53 area, 60 area, 68 area, and 73, and there is no limit. And people are not talking only short squeeze, and there is also another thing. If you know, this is called gamma squeeze, and I'm not going to talk a lot about gamma squeeze, but just making it very simple. When you are shorting the stock, you sell the stock at a high price. When it comes down, you just buy back. So basically in that process you just make some money. Normally we buy at a lower price and we sell at a higher price. This is our profit. On the other hand, the short sellers, the shorts, they sell at a higher price and they buy at a lower price, just the opposite we are doing. So they are the shorts. So whenever there's lots of buying pressure, so they have to cover their shorts, so that then the short squeeze happens. The gamma squeeze is different. So just see here, the gamma squeeze happens when the underlying stock's price begins to go up very quickly within a short period of time. This is important. Remember GME, it went up so high. in a short period of time. As more money flows into call options from investors, that forces more buying activity, which can lead to a higher stock price. Look at the thing, call option. So there is something called market mover, if you do not know. So make it really easy. So if there are out of the money call option and there are lots of buying, let's say AMC has a call option at $100 and so many people are buying that $100 call option. So what will happen? Whoever has sold, market maker, or let's make it whoever has sold the call option, if AMC goes to 100 and someone wants to exercise that call option, then whoever has sold that call option, they have to provide 100 share for each call option. So what they do, because if they don't have the shares in their pocket, they have to buy the call option at $100. So what they do, whenever they sell the call option, they buy the shares as well. So let's say the AMC is $50 and they see that they have a call option at $100 and lots of buying activity. So as long AMC starts to go higher and higher, maybe within half an hour, let's say it goes to $70, then they will be in panic. What if AMC goes to $100? So in that case, they also starts to buy those shares. In case AMC goes to $100, they will have the shares bought at $70, so they can always provide. In case AMC does not go to 100, then the share the call option will be worthless. So whatever the premium they collected, they will keep in their pocket. But in case AMC goes to 100 or more, they have to provide the share. So the short squeeze, the shorts are covering, retail investors they are covering, at the same time the gamma squeeze, the whoever sold the call option, market makers, they are buying. So suddenly in a short period of time there is a heavy share buying pressure, right? And that is why the share price goes really high. So this is, I just want to talk about gamma squeeze can happen because this is way higher than the short squeeze. See, this thing can happen. So many YouTube videos people are talking, but I am just covering only this part because I see if AMC starts to run, it goes to 50, 60. At any point, if it can go over 73, the real fun will start beginning. So again, it's up to you how we want to play. Do you want to hold till it goes to 100, 200, or you want to just make a quick profit from 40, 50, go to 73? Entirely up to you. I'm not going to give any recommendation, but personally I'm just holding it. Whenever it comes to 42, I'm just buying because I think this will go a lot. Look at the GME chart, then you will get a sense how things can happen. Anyway, the next one I want to talk a little bit about the BlackBerry as well. And if you remember, in this channel we talked about BlackBerry, about break of $14 area. We had some call option, went to $21, lots of profit. So let's look at the chart now. Again, I want to show the same thing. This thing is coming down, and again everything is driven by AMC. Whenever AMC will run, BlackBerry will run for sure. So what is happening? So we went high, but we are coming down on a daily chart, or if you want I can move to an hourly chart just to give you a better sense here. And I'm gonna open the extended hour setting. Yeah, because this kind of stock can also move before pre-market and also after market. So you see, each time it is making lower highs, and currently it seems like it has found a support around 13.74. So as long 13.74 is held strong, this is okay, and as long it will go on the other side of the black line, and when the trend will reverse, if it goes there, then I think things can go even higher again. Important thing is we have to hold the support around 13.74. so if we can break, the next resistance will be around 15.16, 16.4, 17 and 17.84, and after that it will just fly to 2021. On the other hand, if 13.75 is broken, this thing can come down to 13 or even 12.3. just buy. If it comes down, just buy. So I have some shares, I'm just watching. If it comes down, I will buy, otherwise I will just hold. But again, we need to have the confirmation when it goes on the other side, and you can see a nice reversal on the chart. And also you need to see the buying volume. Look at the buying volume here. The volume is now dying, but everything can drastically change, so watch out this particular one. Looking at the RSI on a daily, look at the RSI, it went to 87, so it's cooling, it came down, still 60. Anything over 70 is overbought, so keep that in mind. Look here, whenever it went too high, it came down, it went too high, came down, so this is okay. Any share price will go up and they will come down, so this is okay. And look at the MACD, the blue line is coming down, so still there is no confirmation on BlackBerry. So watch the stock carefully, because still like it needs to show some kind of strength. You see the volume is dying, right? So we need more volume and we need to see more chart reversal, and then you know your support and resistance and making some money. So anyway, my friend, if you found this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So I posted another video which is on 3 penny stock for this week, and we have AMC and BlackBerry in this particular video, and I'm going to upload another video on Wish, which I'm also very bullish, and yeah, I wish it can explode. Anyway, so thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.